Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 13 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and at the top we've got the option looking for, so let's tap on it. As you can see, your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences in all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings, confirm it with the pattern pin or password, whatever you've got. And here the device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings and wait a second to be patient, because it may take a while. As you can see, we will have this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.